Good morning, everyone. If I could have all the readers of the Bill of Rights come up in order. Okay, the preamble to the Bill of Rights begins, Congress of the United States begun and held at the city of New York on Wednesday, the 4th of March, 1789. The conventions of a number of the states having at the time of their adoption of the Constitution expressed a desire in order to prevent misconstruction or abuse of its powers, that further declaratory and restrictive clauses should be added. And as the expanding the ground of the public confidence in the government will best ensure the benefits ends of its Constitution. Resolved by the Senate and House of Representatives of the United States, the Congress assembled 2/3 of both houses, concurring that the following articles be proposed to the legislatures of the several states as amendments to the Constitution of the United States, or any of which articles, which ratified by 3/4 of the said legislatures, to be valid to all intent and purposes, as part of the said Constitution, articles in addition to the amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America proposed by Congress and ratified by the legislatures of the several states, pursuant to the 5th article of the original Constitution. So now what I'd like to do is have each student come up and read each one of the first amendments. Number 1.
Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances.
Amendment 2.
A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed.
Thank you. Amendment 3.
No soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law.
Amendment 4.
The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized.
Amendment 5.
No person shall be held to answer for capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of the grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces, in the militia, when actual services in time of war or public danger, nor shall any person be subject with the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without compensation.
Amendment 6.
In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witness against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense.
Amendment 7.
In suits at common law, where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law.
Amendment A.
Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted.
Amendment 9.
The enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage others retained by the people.
Amendment 10.
The powers not get delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people.